These work, honey. They're supposed to help. My fingers felt like they were gonna freeze off earlier. I'll let you know how they work out. Okay, guys. Holy crap. If you didn't shovel and you're outside of Philadelphia, I'm like 20 minutes outside of Philadelphia in South Jersey, and that sleet is so freaking heavy. Like, even the young person above me, who's much stronger than me, can't do it. I did put these latex gloves over my gloves. Game changer, honey. I can't even believe how warm my fingers are feeling. Like, what? Why the hell weren't we taught this forever ago? Get yourself some latex gloves, pop them over your gloves, and they're gonna stay dry and they're gonna stay warm. Oh my God, I wish I had them this morning.